This video guide is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the online scam that is coming from the site Safestar.info. Safestar.info is a malicious site. It displays fake alerts that display fake security statements. It says that your computer is supposedly infected with 5 viruses. But in reality, it's a mistake to trust these pop-ups. They are totally faulty. They are not related to any decent security programs. Instead, there are some online hackers who stand behind these pop-ups. These hackers may try to force you into downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted programs. So if you ever see these pop-ups, don't interact with them. Don't install anything that these pop-ups suggest. Such pop-ups, by the way, could be the result of some adware on your computer. So I recommend you to research this system with the help of reliable security software such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and then begin researching your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.